Good morning. Here's your view down I-94 out to the west on your Storm Team Skycam network. We've got some quiet weather, and you can see there are some clouds overhead currently in Fargo. There are places where we're dealing with a little more cloud cover that's actually helping to keep us more insulated, a little warmer than other spots here in the valley. So it depends on where you are, but temperatures are going to be different here, ranging anywhere from the freezing mark in Fergus Falls. We're at 32 degrees there, to only 7 degrees up in Hallock. Baudette is at 9 degrees, so is Crookston. Grand Forks is at 14, and it's 22 in Fargo. So much warmer down to the south here as we're starting off our day, and much colder up to the north. And we're looking at visibility that's looking great, even though we have those low clouds on our Skycam. They're not quite at the surface. So looking at some stratus clouds hanging around. And we also have some calm conditions over to the east, out to the west. Pretty light wind. Wind is out of the north at 5 to 10 miles per hour in that area. So looking pretty quiet here to start off our day with good visibility, light wind, temperatures, kind of a range here going on, and some low level cloud cover too. You could see some of that on the map, a little bit higher level clouds being picked up, though there are places where we're dealing with clouds as well, not quite showing up. Now expanding the view, tri-state map, Minnesota looks great, even North Dakota looking pretty good. Down into South Dakota, they've got a little more action there with a mix of some rain and snow in the upper elevations in the Black Hills, and then some snow and rain into Montana that shouldn't impact us, other than the fact that we may see some cloud cover building in for tomorrow. So here's a look at our hour-by-hour planner. Temperatures will be on their way up. By the time we get to the noon hour, we'll be into the 20s to some low 30s. Wind out of the north or west. And heading into the afternoon, we've got some temperatures above freezing again today. A little step back for some of us. We'll see high temperatures ranging from the 20s, mid to upper 20s in the northwest, to some mid to upper 30s in the south and east, with, again, very light wind or calm conditions. Now, heading into the evening hours tonight, temperatures will be into the 20s to some low 30s, and we'll continue that trend into the late night hours where temperatures will be into the 20s below freezing. Now, heading into tomorrow morning, we will start off with more cloud cover and perhaps a few sprinkles, a few flakes up along the international border here. But other than that, it really is looking pretty quiet in the forecast for tomorrow. We'll expect to have some temperatures that are into the sub-freezing range again, which is good. That means that, of course, we're above freezing during the day, below freezing at night. We're continuing that very gradual, slow melt into Tuesday. Into the later morning and into the afternoon, we watch as winds really pick up. We'll see some wind out of the south, gusting into the 20s, and that will help to usher in even warmer air, even though we're going to be underneath more cloud cover during the day tomorrow. It's that wind that brings in the warmer air, and we'll see temperatures that are into the 30s to some low, maybe even mid 40s for your highs, with, again, cloudy skies here for the day. Heading into the evening hours, we will still be mild, continuing that into the late night hours for tomorrow night. Here's your photo today. A sea of snow. We've got snow waves here. You can see that better at the bottom of this screen, where the wind has pushed the snow into standing waves, and then it's shiny because the sun's shining down. The compaction with warmer temperatures has led that snow to turn more into that icy crust there. So thanks, Wade, for sending that in from the Leonard area. It gives us a good look at how things are looking out there right now. And our 7-day planner looks great. We've got great conditions for the slow melt that we want to see, but also less rain, or no really good chances for rain or snow here over the next 7 days, and just pleasant conditions for us to continue that reprieve from the wintry weather we had to put up with all winter.
Forever.
Yes.
That winter that lasted forever. Thank you, Lisa. If you're looking for a place to get a sweet treat and help out a good cause, stick around. Just ahead, we have a preview of this year's Sweet Miracles.